In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Instagram wherein you are getting an OTP, putting in the OTP to log in, but you are not able to log in. It is a loop. How to crack this loop and how to get access to your Instagram account again. So this error mostly happens if you're using the incognito mode or private browser for any browsers, or if you're using a different device to sign into your Instagram account. So what happens is that when you're logging into your Instagram account, you may just be asked for a verification. So what Instagram would do is ask you to put in an OTP. So an OTP goes to your phone, you use the OTP and you try to log in, but you are not able to log in. It comes back to this screen to request an OTP and put it in again. So this loop continues and continues. There's no end to this. So if you get this error, all you have to do is just close the browser and open the application on the phone and then log into the application, and you are going to be able to sign in. It's very simple and easy. Okay, so this is basically a bug or a static error that is not permanent. It is temporary by a moment. So you could definitely fix it yourself. You don't have to request anything to Instagram or send an appeal or anything on those lines. Further questions, do let me know via email or via a comment in the comment section below. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.